I'm Dawn.
And I'm Thea.
Thank you for renting from Clock Accessible Vans. Today we'd like to demonstrate how a Ford Transit works.
This is going to be a manual door. That means you're going to have to pull it open, and then you have the lift here.
So on a full-size Transit, you have a lift, and we have an on and off power button. To deploy the lift, we need to make sure that the power is on. Then we're going to take the remote, and you'll notice on the remote we have up, down, fold, and unfold. First, we need to unfold the lift. Once it's unfolded, we need to bring the lift down. At this point is when we will bring the wheelchair occupant onto the lift platform. You want to make sure that you lock the wheelchair in position so that the wheelchair can't go anywhere when we're raising the lift up. So now at this point, we're going to bring the lift up. When the lift is going up, you want to make sure your wheelchair occupant also does not have their feet over that yellow space. You want to make sure that you're occupying the lift platform. At this point, we would unlock the wheels and bring the wheelchair occupant inside the vehicle. Now we'll go ahead and bring the platform back up. So we're going to fold the lift inside the Transit. And that is how a full-size lift works. Please make sure after the lift has been put in place, you're going to turn the power off on the lift. If you don't do that, your battery will be dead by the time you come back out to start the vehicle.
Once the wheelchair user enters the vehicle, make sure that you turn them so that they are facing forward. This is the proper position for a wheelchair user in a wheelchair accessible van. This is a slide and clip tie down. This is what's used in the full-size vehicles and the rear entry vehicles. This oval here is going to allow you to place it in and out of the tie down position. The red lever is going to be pushed, and that's going to allow you to hook it to the frame of the wheelchair. Once you release the red lever, it's going to ratchet into place. When you'd like to release the tie down, push down on the red lever again. That will give you the slack you need to remove the tie down. Now I'll show you how to place it into the track. Once again, you're going to pull up on the oval, place it over the circular pocket here, and click it into place. You want to make sure this oval has gone down all the way to make sure that it's properly secured. You're going to press down on the red lever, pull out the hook, and attach it to a 90-degree angle on the wheelchair. Once you release that red lever, it's going to ratchet into place. Now that we've properly secured the wheelchair, we need to secure the wheelchair user. In a full-size vehicle, the seatbelt extension and the seatbelt itself are attached to the back two tie downs. I'm going to thread the seatbelt attachment near the hip of the wheelchair user, and then the actual seatbelt will come across the lap and chest of the wheelchair and clip into place. Now that we've gotten the seatbelt attached, we need to make sure that all parts of the seatbelt are in the correct location on the wheelchair user. The seatbelt attachment should be right at hip level. The seatbelt should come right across the waist and across the chest. If you have to adjust it so that it's in the proper position, you're going to use the extra webbing here and tighten it until it's in the proper position. While the lift is deployed, you may notice that if you step upon the yellow platform here, it will start beeping. This is a warning to let you know that the lift is deployed and that a wheelchair user should not be on that part of the platform. Once the wheelchair user is properly secured, we're going to go ahead and lift the lift back into place. The first thing you're going to do is hit the up button. And then you're going to push the fold button until it's all the way in the vehicle.
We want to make sure that you're aware when using the full-size lift that you make sure that the power is on when you're going to bring the lift down, but please make sure that you turn the power off when you're done using the vehicle. And again, this is a manual door, so we go ahead and close it when we're completed.